Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller that won't charge. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you have your PlayStation 5 controller plugged in and it won't charge, what are some ways that you can go ahead and fix this? The first option we're going to go ahead and look at is charging from the PlayStation 5 itself. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is completely turn off our PlayStation 5. And I'm just going to go ahead and hard reset everything with the PlayStation 5 and the controller. So with the controller, if I go ahead and turn it around, I have a modded aim controller that has back buttons, but right here is a small hole where we can stick in a toothpick or a little needle, and we can press that button down for like 5 seconds and it will restart this controller and completely reset it. So now that the controller is reset, let's reset our PlayStation. So with the light bar off here, let's switch our PlayStation around just like this and unplug it from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Then flip it around. Now if you're going to be charging from the console itself, you may be charging it in the rest mode where the light bar is orange. So I'll have my PlayStation controller plugged in just like this, and my console will be in rest mode. Now sometimes this front USB port will not charge your controller for whatever reason. So you may want to go ahead and take your USB cable and plug it into the rear USB ports. So I have one USB port open because I have my camera connected in the other one. So let's connect my controller to the back USB port now. And this sometimes will charge your controller if the front one does not work. Also, you may be having an issue with the cable that you're using. So try a new USB cable. And also, a good way to charge your controller a little bit quicker is by using a wall outlet adapter just like this, and plug in your controller to the wall outlet using this adapter, and just give it 1 to 2 hours to charge, and you'll know it's charged when the light bar turns off and nothing displays. And maybe you'll plug it in and it'll have one orange blink and then it will be done. That means your controller is fully charged. So try charging it via a USB adapter for the wall outlet or the back USB ports on the console itself. Also, there is a setting on the PlayStation settings where you may not be getting power to the front USB ports or the back ones because you have it turned off. So let's go over to my settings right now. I'll show you how to turn that on. Alright, so now let's go up to the settings option right here and select it. And then go on down to System and go down to Power Saving. Then go to Features Available in Rest Mode. Select this. And then the first option is Supply Power to USB ports. I currently have mine set to off. But if we select this, we can select 3 hours or always. So when you put your console into rest mode, the USB ports will have power for 3 hours. If you set to always, they will always have power. If you set to off, they will never have power, so your controller will never charge if you have it set to this. So you want to make sure, if you're charging for the console, that this is 3 hours or always. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.